Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a straight pour I saw someone on my channel do. His name is Joe from Joe Art and he did an amazing job. So I wanted to try and recreate a pour. I'm going to show you which paints I'm using. So my white is Van Bleiswijk Titanium White. For my yellow I'm using this Primo paint. It's the same for my orange and my purple. All of these being mixed with my pouring medium. The glue I use is Cleopatra glue. So let's start layering. I think I'm going to take you down a little bit so you can see the pouring. So I've got a feeling my purple is a little bit thicker because it's sunk down. So let's see if we can move this. Okay, I'm going to scrape this and I'm going to give it another try. So I layered the cup again, same paint, same quantity, just a little bit less orange, and I thinned down my purple. So I'm going to try this again. So I didn't quite get what I wanted, or at least what I was going for, but I'm quite happy. Let's see how this dries and I'll show you the finished result. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!